an informative video. Today we're going to talk about hardware, software, and computer parts. This video is made for our information technology class.
First of all, a little introduction to what information technology is. A possible description could be the application of computers and telecommunications equipment to store, retrieve, transmit, and manipulate data. And in this case, the name of our subject, where we study most of the things related to computers.
Do you know what a hardware is? Because most people don't. Hardware is the collection of physical elements that constitutes a computer system, such as the mouse, keyboard, hard drive, monitor system, unit cards, etc.
And a software is, in contrast, programs and instructions that can be stored and run by hardware. In other words, computer programs, non-tangible components of a computer like PowerPoint, Word, Excel, and other applications.
Now we're going to go into details so you can learn a bit more.
I'm going to talk about the motherboard, an essential part of all computers. It is connected to all elements of a computer and is the one that recognizes the operating system, for example Mac, Windows, or Linux, and then performs a recognition test.
The microprocessor, which is in charge of the speed in which the computer works. It can be measured in megahertz, gigahertz, and terahertz. And depending on how many you have, the most instructions can be developed per second.
Of course, there's the monitor, the electronic visual display for the computers, or in other words, the screen.
But not least, I'm going to talk about the keyboard and the mouse. I won't assume that everybody knows what they are, but here's a quick explanation. The keyboard is a typewriter style of device which uses an arrangement of buttons or keys to act as mechanical levers or electronic switches. And the mouse is a pointing device used to move around the computer and interact with it.
To conclude, we would like to say that we learned a lot about the hardware and software, which we didn't know, and that we really enjoy making the video.
We hope you have learned at least a bit about the parts of the computer, how everything is related and works together, the differences between software and hardware, and the importance of pieces like the microprocessor.